Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Bitcoin is breaking out, Kaspa is breaking out, the markets are looking great, just the way I predicted a few days ago. Before we dive in, I want to say thank you for watching my videos, and please consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate that. So let's dive in. Bitcoin raised 7% in the last 24 hours. We are up almost 15% on the weekly. We are a little bit in the fear and greed index, but that is fine for now. And if we're going to take a look at Kaspa, then we are seeing that Kaspa is sitting in spot number 40, just over $3 billion market cap. We are up 12% on the week, 6% on the last 24 hours, just below 13 cents, and 13 cents will be a little bit of a resistance level, but not a really big one in my opinion. So things are looking great. So let's dive in immediately into the technicals, because in the last video I showed you that Bitcoin was a falling wedge pattern on the weekly, and that we were breaking out last week. So yeah, 2 days ago we closed this candle in the green out of the falling wedge, so confirmation of the breakout out of the falling wedge. And as you can see, we have a continuation of the breakout. So Bitcoin is looking really strong. Remember, it doesn't mean we go up only from this point. There is a possibility that we're going to retest this upper Y trend line around 60 to 61 to 62K, in my opinion. That is a possibility. Furthermore, probably around 67K would be a support level as well. So remember that we could see some fall back for Bitcoin, and of course the altcoins will follow probably by then to the downside on the short term. But I truly believe that we go to an all-time high retest for Bitcoin in the coming days and weeks, and I truly expect that as well for Kaspa, to be honest. So if you take a look at Kaspa on the weekly, you can see falling wedge pattern, same as Bitcoin. A little bit of a not that strong candle, but in the end, it is a breakout confirmation out of the falling wedge pattern, and now we have a continuation of the breakout on the weekly. So basically, it's looking really strong. I know I received some hate from some people that Kaspa wasn't breaking out, but you can see it is actually breaking out right now. It's looking strong. And remember, guys, this is on the weekly. So day to day, we can get some volatility intraday. But on the weekly, it's looking really strong in the sense of the TA side of Kaspa and Bitcoin as well. So probably the markets are a little bit heating up due to the fact of the ETF approvals for Ethereum, in the sense of the rumors about that. Of course, remember, guys, we could see bad news for Ethereum ETFs, that they're not going to be approved. And if they get approved, there's also a possibility that we see some sell the rumors events, or we just going to blast off full mode into the bull cycle. That is also a possibility. In the end, I'm just holding because it's just noise on the short term, whatever it's going to be. In the end, everyone knows that the ETFs for Ethereum will be approved. It's not if, it's just when. That is simple. It's simple. It's not getting any simpler than that. Sorry, guys. If we take a look at the daily for Kaspa, and I use another chart for that, but it is the Kaspa chart. In my opinion, the first biggest resistance level would be around 14.5 cents, and a little bit around this level right now at 13 cents. But it's not a really big one. This is the main big resistance level for Kaspa. I think we're going to retest this level in the coming days, weeks, pretty certain. But to be honest, I think we're going for all-time highs. If Bitcoin is going for all-time high as well, I can see it happen for Kaspa as well. Let's check out the rainbow chart for Kas. So remember, guys, the rainbow chart is based on the power law for Kaspa. Kaspa is following a power law. And as you can see, we're still in the lower trend channel of the rainbow chart. So we are still very, very early. The last pump, really big pump, we went all the way to the orange line. So remember, guys, if we go to the orange line again over here, we would say talking around 30 cents or more for Kaspa. So the upside is pretty big based on the rainbow chart for Kaspa. It's still a good buy zone right now because we are in the lower zone of the rainbow chart. Things are looking great, and of course for Kaspa the fundamentals are looking great. So if we take a look at the Rust mining migration, the nodes, we are currently at 58% mined by Rust nodes, so that's looking great. Nothing to say, I can't say any negative thing about that. This is yeah, it's doing fine. If we take a look at the accumulation, I think the accumulation is looking really strong over the last 7 and 30 days. Yeah, it looks great. We have a lot of new people, probably addresses, strong accumulation going on. So that is looking fine to me. If you take a look at this, guys, I mean, come on, rank 16, gained 2.15 million Kaspa coins over the last 24 hours. So there is some significant accumulation going on also in the big wallet addresses. So that is looking great. Let's check the hash rate, for example, right now. Okay, I can see it over here probably as well. Give me a sec, guys. The hash rate is sitting almost at 260 petahashes, so that's looking strong as well. Really great. The price is still below the hash rate, and as you can see, most of the times the price was above the hash rate. So I believe the price will flip the hash rate again, and I think 20 cents and higher is imminent. It's coming, guys. It's just a matter of time. So things are looking really, really great. It's looking strong. So remember, guys, keep your patience. Remember also, we could see some volatility on the short term. It's in the end, it's still crypto. We're not going to go up forever. So keep in mind that, yeah, we could see some downside into the short term, some retesting areas and so on. Okay, guys, please consider to like this video. Subscribe to the channel, of course, and I wish you all a really, really great day. If you have any questions, please drop them below in the comment section and I'm happy to answer them. If you want to join my network of serious crypto investors, just hit the link below this video to my Patreon and I'm happy to see you inside. All right, guys, take care. Crypto T.